Moana Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia can NDC for say he's running away from economy to digitalization. Debia me betana me catch us nane. One say uko wiase a esikafo mo wiase no. Enye oil trading no mo yo. Enye timber onye gold. They deal in technology. Technology. And the technology has become the backbone of economy. And so you can't Mahmoud mo say enye economy. But you can't on say adwuma e be about the next decade no wo mo ya risky e be free on mo no na so de disike ba e de ahotoso ba e de enije be ba no ni nyina e artificial intelligence ya ana meboa in this hotel now they will say obi say IT enye economy a enana say ade nani ada ho enti yankopon shamo that's it enra Muse KN University. Yeah, orientation. Yeah. Close to a nipa per 100,000. Now, better baby aqua kujina. And so through artificial intelligence, but I'm monitor. And I'm park so that tomorrow or man, Madame Pem. Oh, so baby of technological. And can imagine. Sir, Enka, if we have to do orientation for the population of 100,000, I hear this year no bed to 20 or 30 days.
Yeah.
And Uber drive through traffic at the Ababa betra a stress battery hours empty Sadiana every hormone. And within 1 hour, we were able to do orientation for 100,000 people.
No teases area your friend green HRM
Mommy
to say teleconference
so me say technology is economy.
Yeah,
Me say and this for they will run away from say any economy no. Technology is economy.
Yeah,
let us prepare our minds. Prepare the younger ones and say who pese wudi ya corporate training in technology and no and the future gold. And we're intangible gold. And Timidama say, unim, Kojo, Matisse, see, there is a click. Yakwa say, free SHS is not sustainable.